Welcome to the channel again, everyone. We have ChoroQ 0 number Z-22, the Toyota Prius, and it's a taxi version of Nihon-kotsu. I'm guessing that's a region in Japan. Alright, standard Zero packaging. Well, the older Zero packaging. The more modern ones come in a blister pack now. Alright. And I guess this is new because it's still taped together. Go. I have a suspicion this is the third generation Prius they modeled after, but correct me if I'm wrong. Alright, let's see here. So, that is a Nihon-kotsu taxi cab, and it's got the pointy headlights and taillights, so I think this is it, yeah. It's even got the round light on the top of the roof there. And it's got the wheels here on the ChoroQ are unique to this casting. They look like those hubcap covers or are those wheels or hubcaps on the real car? I don't know. But then it's got the pointy taillights as well. I couldn't find a rear image, but here's one from New York, so it looks like it's the same type of car, I think. Alright, so I think it definitely looks correct. I am wondering about the mirrors, though. Let me check that packaging again. Sometimes these ChoroQ Zeros come with mirrors. Yes, there it is. So it was inside the box part of the lower section. Unfortunately, these mirrors are such small stocks. I will not be putting these on because they're just going to snap off next time I pull it out for a review. Alright, well, let's continue on with this guy. So the wheels, yeah, I think with just a little black paint, they'll look a lot nicer. And then the tampo printing here is very nice. You know, it's not a decal, so I like that. It's very crisp, the text itself. Yeah, the panel cap here just kind of stops because it's the way it was molded, I guess. Or maybe not, because it doesn't stop here. So I'm not sure why they would have stopped that gap, you know, when it continue on. Oh well. The windows here, they're very dark. I don't know if they're opaque or not. I can't see the pick on the other side. Going to the bottom, yeah, they are translucent. They're just really smoked. They look like they're black from the outside. So we know where it is in the lineup, and then this says 2014, August 2014. This one was made. Standard construction, a screw and a tab. The taillights are painted very nicely, and then also the badging is there too. It says Prius. The Toyota thing is raised, but no silver paint. And then over here is, I don't know, let me zoom in. I think it's just a box, but maybe there is text there. Yeah, I'm sure there's supposed to be something there, but it's just a box on this one. Sticker on the back telling you where it is in the lineup again. That's weird. What is that thing? Is that a scratch? It's a little, I don't know what the deal is. It's not on this side. It looks like it was a faint red paint line or something. And then what would this be for? I see it on the real photograph. There's just a silver circle there. I don't know. Anyone leave a comment if you could. Why would there be a silver circle there? It's on the real car. Alright, that's the fuel filler, I imagine. And then there's only one door handle. There isn't one on the rear door. It's kind of weird. They had the room to do it. Alright, the headlights here. Yeah, they're just plain silver. Oh well. These little running lights here as well. And then, interesting, there's a green license plate, but no number. But the real taxi does have a green plate, so I guess it's half right. I do feel this black is really poorly painted. Look at this. I mean, it's coming down on this side. It's kind of just like wavy and flat on this side. So that's some of the worst painting I've seen by ChoroQ, especially a Zero. This should have never left the factory, in my opinion. Boy, I don't know what I'm going to do about that. Maybe I'll try to paint. I don't know. Alright, well, this stripe is also weird. It just stops here. On the real car, it stops at the break of the hood. There is no break of the hood, but if there was, it would be down here. There should be a line right here. And so this stripe kind of stops short, I think. But it does carry across the roof, which is kind of nice. There's some grooves in here. And And yeah, this little Nihon logo is pretty nice. This little bubble. Oh yeah, I didn't even notice. There's a blue and white Toyota badge here on the front, which is really nicely done. That's cool. Alright, well, I guess that's the whole thing. This black thing, this wing, I guess it's, I don't know if there's a separate piece or not. I think it's a separate piece, because if this is smoked plastic, this looks like it's just black. Yeah. Well, I don't know. Maybe this canopy is a separate piece glued in for the back side. Because if you look at the bottom of this body, I think it's casted in yellow. I'm not sure if it's painted or casted, but... Alright, well, I like the riding stance. It's actually sports car-like. So it's pretty good. I don't feel a need to swap out the wheels or remove these from the axles. All I need to do is add a little black paint to the wheels and I'm good. Alright, well, let's compare it to a couple other models. I don't have a 1/64 scale Prius, nor do I ever intend to really buy one. So, but in cartoon form, I like these more random cars I would never buy in 1/64 scale. I do have this Mitsubishi i-MiEV. This is made by Daewoo. I like that one because that is such a weird looking car. I guess the Prius is a weird looking car, but not weird enough for me to buy yet. Just for reference, here's a Hobby Japan Toyota Century. So you can see how big Toyotas could be. I would have to imagine a Prius is somewhere in between the size of this and the size of that. In real life, that is. So I don't have many ChoroQ taxis. I only have one other one, this Nissan Crew, and I swapped out the wheels with some generic, aftermarket wheels meant for Hot Wheels, I think. And then I have this ChoroQ Zero of a Toyota Crown Athlete, which would be a really big car, much bigger car in real life. Now this Zero has printed headlights, graphics, Hot Wheels style, so I really like that. But it doesn't have any text printed on the back either, but the Prius does, right? Ooh, I'm also noticing this headlight is missing a bunch of silver on that side, so it wasn't painted well. Yeah, so ChoroQ Zero wise, this has a lot of QC problems. It's not up to snuff in my opinion. Alright, well, that's too bad. Okay, well, I'm not going to buy another one. I'm stuck with this one. Maybe I'll try to paint some of the mistakes here by the factory here. Okay, well, I can't say I can recommend this. It might have quality control problems. Maybe I just have a bad apple here. But I do like, I do still like this car because I like the graphics on it. And in cartoon form, I think it's pretty cool looking. I think it's better looking in cartoon form than in real life. Alright guys, thanks for watching. I'll see you the next time I get a Zero in. Alright, bye.